How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can game share on your Xbox One. Now, this is an alternative method to my previous game sharing methods in which we utilize license transferring to download your friends' games. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you Xbox's feature known as buying as a gift. And this way, you can have your friends purchase games for you if you don't have the money to afford it. So overall, you're going to be getting free games utilizing this method and a family or friend who's willing to purchase the game for you. So the first thing you want to do in this tutorial, I'm going to keep this very short and brief, is make your way over to the store. This is what you would do if you were the giver in the situation and you're giving the game to someone else. So right now, Xbox is having a big store discount sale, whatever you want to call it. So you can hop in here and say they are interested in, I don't know, maybe Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. This one's $49.79 right now with gold, and it's on sale. So say you want this. Let me just exit out of here so you don't have to listen to this and I get a copyright claim. So say you don't have the money for this, so you go out, you ask your friend, your family to purchase this for you, and say they already own it. It doesn't really matter if they own it or not, or maybe they do own it and they want to play it with you, but you don't have the money for it. So what they would do is, instead of buying it again, which you can't since you already have it installed, you go over here and you click buy as a gift. Now, the cool thing about this is all you need is the recipient's email address or their gamer tag, and you can easily send them the gift, which is really awesome. You just click buy as a gift, and from here it's going to bring up these options, so you can choose from your friends or enter a specific email address. Now, I just want to be clear about this. They have to be obviously on Xbox Live, and they don't have to be your friend, but it would make it easier, so you could just enter their friend's name. And they also have to be in the same country as you. So just keep that in mind. So you can't be sending gifts to other recipients around the globe. They have to be in the same country as you. So this makes it really awesome if it's around the holiday season or someone's birthday or someone, and you want to be nice and give a game for free to someone you know to be nice or something like that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this useful. I think this is a great way in order to get free games from people you know who maybe are in a better situation and maybe can buy them for you or something like that. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below any questions you have, comments, or future tutorials you guys want me to make on this subject matter, because I'd be happy to do so as well. Also, link in the description if you guys want to check out any Life Made Easy merchandise, and a quick shout out to my podcast, Life Made Easy Podcast. That's also linked in the description down below. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys in the next. Thank you.